you have the words of everlasting life. Lord, you have the words of everlasting life. The love of the Lord is perfect, refreshing the soul. The decree of the Lord is trustworthy, giving wisdom to the simple. Lord, you have the words of everlasting life. The precepts of the Lord are right, rejoicing the heart. The command of the Lord is clear, enlightening the eye. Lord, you have the words of everlasting life. The fear of the Lord is pure, enduring forever. The ordinances of the Lord are true, all of them just. Lord, you have the words of everlasting life. They are more precious than gold, than the heft of purest gold, sweeter also than syrup or honey from the comb. Lord, you have the words of everlasting life. Lord, you have the